Introduced more than 3 years ago, the iPhone SE offered users who prefer a more compact form factor an attractive alternative to Apple's larger screen devices. Unfortunately, though, Apple discontinued the iPhone SE last year, subsequently leaving fans of the device without much of an alternative. Sure, Apple's iPhone XR and XS models offer an incredible value proposition, but the simply reality is that Apple's entry-level iPhone XR is closer in size to an iPhone 6 Plus than to an iPhone 6. In effect, Apple has abandoned a large contingent of iPhone users who want to take advantage of Apple's newer, more advanced technologies without having to commit to a device that may be too unwieldy for them. With that said, early last year saw a flurry of rumors regarding a next-gen iPhone SE that would likely house the same components and features of Apple's iPhone 8. For whatever reason, though, those rumors seemingly came to an abrupt halt a few months back. Before long, credible sources began to relay that Apple had, for the time being, abandoned any plans to release an iPhone SE 2. Most notably, reputed analyst Ming-Chi Kuo issued a note earlier this year claiming that an iPhone SE 2 was not currently on Apple's product roadmap. All hope, though, may not be lost in light of a new report claiming that a next-gen iPhone SE may see the light of day after all. Recently, PC Tablet published a story indicating that Apple was working on an iPhone SE successor dubbed the iPhone XE. The report specifically said that the device will sport an edge-to-edge 4.8-inch OLED display and may be released sometime before September of this year. The report adds that the device will not incorporate Touch ID and may boast Apple's A12 Bionic chip. Pricing details remain a bit murky, but the report alleges it may cost anywhere from $600 to $800, while seemingly a bit high given the price of the iPhone XR. It would make sense given that an iPhone SE style design would cost more on account of a pricier OLED panel. Now, as to whether or not this rumored iPhone XE ever sees the light of day, well, that remains to be seen. What is clear, though, is that Apple should provide users with an affinity for smaller devices with some sort of option. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.